Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Samsung Wallet in 2025, from adding cards to storing boarding passes and managing crypto. Step 1. Open the Samsung Wallet app on your Galaxy device. If not installed, download it from the Galaxy Store. Step 2. Tap Add to link a credit or debit card, and follow the prompts to verify with your bank and enable contactless payments. Step 3. To add a boarding pass, go to Add to Wallet and then choose Tickets and scan the QR code or upload from your email. Step 4. For crypto, tap the Crypto tab and follow the steps to connect your Samsung blockchain wallet or view balances of supported tokens. Step 5. You can also store loyalty cards, digital keys, and vaccination records by selecting the appropriate option under the wallet menu. Step 6. You can use biometric authentication for secure access and customize your quick access shortcut for easy payments from the lock screen. And now, your Samsung wallet is fully set up and ready for everyday use in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.